students, draw a right angled triangle XYZ. Draw its median and show their point of congruence by G. Okay, now we will draw what students? We will draw a right angle triangle. See here. Draw a right angle triangle, students. Okay. Join this point and this point. Okay, name this as X, Y, Z. Now you have to draw its medians. Now what you will do? You have to find the midpoint of your side YZ. How you will find the midpoint of your side YZ? By constructing the perpendicular bisector. So take your rounder, put at your vertex Y. Yes, take more than half. Yes, more than half, like this, and draw an arc like this, student. One arc like this you draw up, and one arc like this you will draw down. Okay, like this. Don't change the length of your arc. Put at your vertex Z and draw one arc over here, students, and draw an arc over here. Yes, see where these two arc is intersecting, press like this. Now join these two points. Like this. Okay, now over here this point, students, you can name it as M. Okay, now your point M you join with your vertex X like this, with the help of a scale. So what is this? Segment XM is what, student? It is the median of your triangle XYZ. Now I have to find the midpoint of my side XZ. So take your rounder, place at your vertex Z, and more than half you take the distance, more than half. Yes. Now draw one arc over here, students, and draw one arc over here. Yes. Now put at your vertex X, draw one arc over here, students, like this, and draw one arc. Yes, where your two arcs are intersecting, press like this. Yes, one point here. Now with the help of your scale, join these points like this. Okay. Okay, like this. Now this one, can you see here? This point, name this point as N. Now your point N is the midpoint of your side XZ. Now you have to join this point N with your vertex Y like this. Okay, now you have to find the midpoint of your segment XY or your side XY. Again take your rounder, place at your vertex Y, take more than half you take. Yes, now draw one arc over here, students. Yes, draw an arc over here. See here. Okay, put at your vertex X, draw an arc over here, students, like this. Yes, and draw an arc over here. Now where both your arc are intersecting, press your pencil like this. Now join these two arcs. Okay, now this point you can name it as P. Now this point P is the midpoint of your side X, Y. Now this point P you have to join with your vertex Z, like this. Now can you see, students, all three medians, your median, that is your segment ZP, your segment XM, your segment YN, what they are passing through, they are passing through one common point, this one. Can you see? Now this point is called as the point of congruence, and it is denoted by the letter, capital letter G.